lash lovers, this is Jessica Devereaux of J. Devereaux Beauty, and today we're going to create a laminated look with our eyebrows using clean makeup we use in the salon. It's available for purchase online and also when you're in store. The first thing that I'm going to work with is Plume Beauty's pencil. I use Chestnut Decadence. If you need help picking a color, please reach out. We're more than happy to help you pick out a color. They're gorgeous. And then the next thing I'm going to use is products from Westfarn Company. They are out of the UK. The first and the most important, Extra Stronghold Soap Brows. So this is going to be used in the video. And then down here I have the Prep Mist in Coconut. I like the ingredients in this. It's very hydrating, and you'll see how I use it in the video. And they have this upgraded pen or brush to use that is, I say it lasts longer. It has dual ends, and I'll show you how I use it in the video too. Now I do the laminated look two ways just to show people options. It's also really helpful. Extra Hold is what I recommend for people with very stubborn hair. So if you don't actually get the chemical service of having lamination done, but you want the look, definitely get the Extra Hold Soap Brow. Okay, take a look, tell me what you think. Bye. Here's the soap I recommend if you love the laminated look or if you have stubborn hairs. Mist the Extra Hold twice with our coconut spray and make big circles, all using all of the soap. Brush down first and then brush back up and then let it set. It takes about 20 to 60 seconds for it to get its hold, but you'll notice it's a strong hold. And then take a little pencil. After it sets, it'll be tacky. Just stroke in a few hair strokes. It'll grab the makeup and make it feel extra fluffy and defined. And now I'm using the other end of Westfarn Company's brush just to maybe brush up and feather more. It's a clean end, it didn't have the soap on it. On this side, I'm doing it the reverse. I'm putting my pencil on first as a line, underneath, and then on top, and I'll blend it with the other end of Plume's Chestnut Decadent pencil. And I'm gonna line the top and the bottom, feather in a few hair strokes, and blend. There you go. Make sure you get those ends. And now I'm putting on the soap brow, brushing down and brushing up, nice and firm. I'll use the clean end again to make it fluffy. So you can really do it either way. I wanted to showcase that there's no wrong way. You can do your brow pencil first and then the soap brow, or you can do the soap brow first. Let it dry down and then do your makeup. If the soap brow has too much water in it and it's runny, that's why it wouldn't work this way. You really just want a little bit of moisture. And there we are, the finished result. They look the same, but we had reverse techniques. Enjoy.